Hey guys, so we talked about interferences and waves. Now we're going to talk about sound and intensity. Let's get started. So sound is a wave that's produced by mechanical disturbances. So what this means is that mechanical disturbances of a material actually makes the air particles oscillate, and this is what causes sound, or what we perceive to be sound. And you see what I mean by here. When you actually disturb a string by playing the violin string, you see that the strings are actually forming little waves, like actual waves, and this in turn oscillates the air particles near the strings. And this is the same for a guitar, and this is also the same for a drum. You see that the skin is making a transverse wave up and down,